So in this problem, we're given a couple of radian measures and we need to convert it to the corresponding degree measure. So let's begin. First, before beginning, let's review that pi radian that's equals to 180 degrees. Now, 1 radian will be then equals to 180 over pi degrees. That means that if we have x radian, then we can convert it to degree. All we have to do is take x and multiply it with 180 over pi, and the value will get converted into degrees. Then we can also use pi as 22 over 7 approximately. Then pi radian will then be x times 180 divided by 22 times 7. So we'll talk about this while we do the problem. So let's start with the first problem. So in problem number 1, we are given 2 pi over 15 radians. So we have to convert it to degrees. So we'll consider 2 pi over 15 and multiply it with 180 over pi. Now this will now get converted into degrees. So we have pi and pi cancelling out. Then we have 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 36. So that's 180, so that means 3 times 12 is 36, and this gives us a value 24 degrees. So that means 2 pi over 15 radians, that's equivalent to 24 degrees. Coming to number 2, we have pi over 8 radians. So that means we will multiply pi over 8 with 180 over pi. So this gets converted to degrees. So we have pi and pi cancelling out, and 4 times 2 is 8. Then we have 4 times 45 is 180. So we have 45 over 2 degrees. But we'll have to convert this into minutes and seconds. So 45 over 2, when we convert it to a mixed number, then we're going to get 22 half. So this is 22 half degrees. Then we can have 22 degrees and half. So half will be converted into minutes. So we'll multiply half with 60 and this will get converted to minute. So we have 22 degree, half of 60 is 30. So we have 22 degree, 30 minutes. Coming to number 3. So problem number 3, we have 1 over 4 radians. So what we have to do is take 1 over 4 and multiply it with 180 over pi. So this gets converted to degrees. Now, here we will consider pi to be 22 over 7. So we have 180 times 7 divided by 4 times 22 degrees. Now that means when we multiply it, this is going to give us a value 315 over 22 degrees. Now we will convert it into a mixed number. So 315 divided by 22. So that's 14.7 over 22 degrees. This is going to give us 14 degrees and 7 over 22 degrees. Now we want to convert 7 over 22 degrees to minutes. All we have to do is take 7 over 22 and multiply it to 60. So this will get converted into minutes. So we have 14 degree, 7 times 60 over 22. So that gives us a value 19.1 over 11. So this is minutes. So this is going to be equivalent to 14 degrees, 19 minutes and 1 over 11 minutes. And we'll finally convert 1 over 11 to seconds. So we have 14 degree, 19 minutes, and we're going to multiply the fraction 1 over 11 to 60, and this will get converted to seconds. So we'll take an approximate value. So we know that 11 times 5 is 55, and 11 times 6 is 66. So that means 60 is going to lie between 55 and 66. We'll take a value 5. So that means we'll take 14 degree, 19 minutes and 5 seconds. So this is going to be the degree measurement of our radian 1/4. That means quarter radian. So quarter radian is 14 degree, 19 minutes and 5 seconds. Coming to the fourth problem. So in our fourth problem, we have -2 radians. So let's find out the value of -2 radians. The number 4, -2 radians. All we have to do is take -2 and multiply it to 180 over pi. This is going to get converted into degrees. So we'll take a negative outside. So we have 2 times 180. So we're going to convert pi to 22 over 7. So we have 22 times 7. 22 over 7, so we're 2 times 11, that's 22. 7 times 180, so that's 1160 over 11. And if we want to write it in the mixed format, this is going to be equals to negative 1146 over 11 degrees. So this is in degrees as well. Now we have negative 114 degrees and 6 over 11 degrees. Now we're going to convert 6 over 11 degrees to minutes. So what we will do is multiply it with 60. So we have 6 over 11 times 60 degrees. So 6 times 60, that's 360. So we have 360 divided by 11. So when we divide 360 by 11, we have 11 times 3, that's 33. So that leaves us a remainder 30. Then we have 11 times 2, so that's 22, which leaves us a remainder of 8. So that means 6 times 60 over 11, this will become in the mixed format as 1132 8 over 11 minutes. So this will get converted to minutes after we multiply with 60. We're going to get negative 114 degrees, 32 minutes, and 8 over 11 minutes. And we also want to convert 8 over 11 minutes to seconds. So all we have to do is multiply 8 over 11 to 60. So we have 8 times 60 divided by 11. So this will get converted to seconds. So let's find out this value. So 8 times 60, that's 480. So we're going to divide it by 11. So we have 11 times 4, that's 44, leaving us with a remainder of 40. So I have 11 times 3, so that's 33 with a remainder of 7. So that means 8 times 60 divided by 11, which is 480 over 11. In the mixed format, this is going to be 33, 7 over 11. So we will consider only the 33 part. So we will have negative 114 degrees, 32 minutes and 33 seconds. So this is the value of negative 2 radians. Coming to the next problem, the fifth one, we have 6 radians. So let's find out the value of 6 radians. All we have to do is multiply 6 with 180 over pi. So this will get converted into degrees. So we have 6 times 180 multiplied to 7 divided by 22 degrees. So this will give us 3780 divided by 22. So this is going to be in degrees. Now we want to convert it to a mixed format. So we are going to get 343 7 over 11 degrees. So that means we have 343 degrees, 711 degrees. Now 7 over 11, we will convert it to minutes by multiplying it with 60. So we have 7 times 60 divided by 11. This gets converted to minutes. So we will now have 340 degrees multiplied to 7 times 60. So that's 420 divided by 11, which gives us 38 to 11 in mixed format. So we have 38 to 11 minutes, which will be 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 2 over 11 minutes. We have 343 degrees, 38 minutes. So we also want to convert 2 over 11 minutes to seconds. All we have to do is 2 over 11 will get multiplied to 60. So this will get converted to seconds. We have 120 divided by 11 seconds. So 120 divided by 11. So that's 10 over 11. So this will be seconds. So we'll only consider 10. So we have 10 seconds. So this is going to be the value of 6 radians. We have 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 10 seconds. And finally, moving on to problem number 6, we have 11 over 16 radians. So we want to find its equivalent degree measure. So we have 11 over 16 multiplied to 180 degrees divided by pi. So this will get converted to degrees. So we have 11 times 180 multiplied to 7 divided by 16 times 22. So this will be in degree measure. So this value is going to be 39 3 over 8 in degrees, which can be also expressed as 39 degrees and 3 over 8 degrees. Now 3 over 8 degrees, we will convert it to minutes. So we'll multiply 3 over 8 with 60. So we have 3 times 60 over 8 minutes. This is going to give us 39 degrees. So 3 times 60, that's 180. So we have 180 divided by 8. So that's 45 over 2. which in the mixed format is 22 half minutes. So we have 39 degrees, 22 minutes and half minute. So half a minute means that will be 30 seconds. So we have 39 degrees, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's the degree measure of 11/16 radian.